I'm Steve Kramer. I'm a Florida family law and divorce attorney, and today we're going to talk about social media and Facebook. How can social media or Facebook affect my divorce case? Now, if you're dealing with divorce, you are probably dealing with economic considerations. Child support, alimony, equitable division of assets. All of these issues come up in a divorce, and Facebook can be a very useful tool in proving some of those issues. Let's say that infidelity is an issue in your divorce case. You want to prove that your spouse is being unfaithful. Well, guess what? Facebook or Twitter or any of these social media outlets are an incredible tool for that, because a lot of times there's evidence that comes up there. And where this clicks in for a divorce case is, if you want to prove that your spouse is wasting marital assets, well, you might be able to show that through social media. Another way that social media can impact it is dealing with alimony. Alimony deals with lifestyle issues and income issues. You know, maybe you want to prove that your spouse is actually capable of earning income where they claim that they're not. Or maybe you want to prove that you have a certain lifestyle or assets. Social media or Facebook can play a role there. Social media is one of those tools that is really underutilized right now, and it can be utilized to a much greater degree than it has been. And I'm telling you this because this is an issue that's coming up more and more in cases. You know, when you're talking about child custody, which we really don't have child custody in Florida, but we do have parenting and time sharing. And you know, if you believe that your spouse has an alcohol or addiction problem, I've seen and used Facebook numerous times. You know, you can show, because a lot of people will post these pictures unwittingly, not realizing that these pictures of them partying or doing drugs or whatever they're doing can impact that case directly. It just doesn't click. And it works both ways. If you want to prove your claims, you know, Facebook is a great tool. If you want to avoid those issues coming up, then you need to be aware of it so you don't post stuff on Facebook without thinking about it. And I'm talking about Facebook, Twitter, you know, all of these outlets. I'm telling you this because this comes up more and more. If you have any questions, call me. I'd be glad to talk about this or any other legal issue you have. I'm Steve Kramer. Thanks for watching.